Madam, good day. My name is Tiveta Lishmanan. So here I'm here today to present our assignment 1, which is topic about standard costing. So this is my team members, Navina Bashkar, Pavitra Munyandi, and also myself, Tiveta Lishmanan. So here, this is our questions. And also this is our prepare a standard cost card for a unit of form surfboard. So this is the basic calculations. For the standard cost is calculated based on the budgeted production of 50,000 units. Each unit uses two pieces of direct material at 5 ringgit per piece, so giving a material cost of 10 ringgit per unit. So each unit requires 3 direct labor hours at 4 ringgit per hour, resulting in a labor cost of 12 ringgit per unit. So that the variable production overhead is given as 6 ringgit per unit. And also, hence, the fixed production overhead is 600,000, which is absorbed at 12 ringgit per unit. So that, therefore, the total standard cost per unit is 40 ringgit.
Hello, good day, Madam Mazurai. My name is Navina Bashkar. So I will continue with the question B, which is calculate the following variances, indicating whether it is favorable or unfavorable. So the first one is direct material price variance. So how to calculate this direct material price variance is, the format is AQ in bracket AP minus with SP. So AQ means actual quantity, AP means actual price, and SP means standard price. So to calculate actual quantity, which is 105,600 in bracket actual price, which is 4 ringgit 80 cent, minus with standard price, which is 5 ringgit. So the total amount is for the total amount for the direct material price is RM 21,120. So this one is favorable. And the second one is direct material usage variance. So how to calculate this direct material usage variance is SP in bracket AQ minus SQ. So meaning SP means standard price, AQ means actual quantity, and SQ means standard quantity. So to calculate SP, which is 5 ringgit, and in bracket actual quantity, which is 105,600, and to minus with SQ, which is 99,000. So 5 ringgit in bracket with 105,600 minus with 99,000. So the total amount for the direct material usage variance is RM 33,000, and this is unfavorable. So the third one is direct labor rate variance. So how to calculate this direct labor rate variance is the formula is AH in bracket AR minus SR. So meaning AH means actual hour, AR means actual rate, and SR means standard rate. So to calculate AH, which is 120,000, in bracket actual rate, which is 3 ringgit 50 cent, to minus with standard rate, which is 4 ringgit. So 120,000 in bracket with 3 ringgit 50 cent minus with 4 ringgit. The total amount for the direct labor rate variance is RM 60,000, and this one is favorable. So that's all from me, madam. Thank you.
Next, we have to calculate the following variance, indicating that whether each is favorable or unfavorable. So that I have done direct labor efficiency. Okay, for the direct labor efficiency, this is the calculation. So from this, I get the variance measure that whether labor hours were used efficiently. Standard hours for actual output were 148,500 hours. Actual hours that work were only for 120,000 hours. Since the fewer hours were used than expected, so that the variance is favorable. The favorable variance amounts to 114,000, indicating the improved labor efficiency. So the next is variable overhead expenditure variance. So that this is the calculations. So from this I got that for the variance, compares actual variables and overhead cost with the standard cost. So that the standard variable overhead rate is 2 ringgit per labor hour. So that and also the standard cost for actual hour is 240,000. Actual variable overhead incurred was 252,000 only. So the actual variable overhead incurs, therefore the variance is 12,000. So that means unfavorable. So the meaning overhead costs were higher than expected. The next is fixed overhead efficiency variance. So this is the calculation that I got it. So that the variance measure how efficiently fixed overheads are absorbed based on the labor hours. So that standard hour allowed us there were 148,500 hours, while actual hours were 120,000. So that the standard fixed overhead rate is 4 ringgit per labor hour. So that the variance is 114,000 is favorable. Caused by better labor efficiency, this shows that fixed overheads will be absorbed more efficiently than planned. That's all from me, madam. Thank you.
Good day, madam. My name is Paitra Moniandi. So today I'm going to present about fixed overhead expenditure. For the formula of the fixed overhead expenditure is FMO expenditure V equal BFO minus AFO, where BFO is BP times by SR. So the BP is 550,000 hours times by 4 minus 660,000. So first we calculate in the bracket one, which is BP times by SR. So the total is 600,000. So we calculate 600,000 minus 660,000. So the total is 60,000, which is unfavorable. So next I'm going to present about Part C, which is give one possible causes for favorable direct material price variance, which is the company may have purchased raw material at a lower price due to bulk discount or favorable supply negotiation. That's it for me, madam. Thank you.